Did you know one man once made $1 billion in a single day by betting against an entire country? September 16th, 1992. George Soros sits in his office staring at charts of the British pound. He sees something the Bank of England doesn't want anyone to see. Their currency is weak, so Soros does the unthinkable. He borrows £6.5 billion and immediately sells them all, betting the pound will crash. The Bank of England panics. They start buying pounds like crazy, trying to prop up their own currency. £27 billion spent in a desperate fight. But Soros keeps selling. More and more pounds flood the market. By evening, the Bank of England waves the white flag. They can't keep up. The pound crashes exactly like Soros predicted. In 24 hours, Soros pockets $1 billion in profit. British taxpayers lose $6 billion, and the UK gets kicked out of European Monetary Union forever. One trade, one day, one man who broke the Bank of England.